What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Come and Go by Juice WRLD and Marshmello. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or I'll uppercut your punk ass onto a table with a bear trap on it. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to figure out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So the song is in standard tuning, and there's two different parts to the song. Both of them pretty much just repeat. There is the picking pattern that happens in the beginning of the song, and then the chords that happen in the chorus of the song. I will show you both of those, and as always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description, as well as if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find those in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. So if you need either of those, check the video description once you get done with the video. They're there for you. The 4 chords you need to know for this song are going to be D minor. It's going to be 0, 5, 7, 7, 6, 5. It's a bar chord. Bar the 5th fret with your index finger, ring finger, and your pinky finger on the D and G string on the 7th fret, middle finger on the 6th fret of the B string. Then slide that down to a C bar chord. It's going to be 3, 5, 5, 5. All you need is those 4 strings there. Index finger, 3rd fret A string. Ring finger is barring the 5th fret on the D, G, and B string. Next is going to be a G minor. Bar the entire 3rd fret. Put your ring finger and your pinky finger on the A and D string on the 5th fret. And then slide that down to a B flat major, which is 6th fret. Bar the entire 6th fret. Ring and pinky on the 8th fret of the A and D string, middle finger on the 7th fret of the G string. Your picking pattern is very simple. You're going to start on the D minor and you're going to pick A, G, D, B, slide down to your C, and just strum. So. Then go to your G minor. It's very similar. You're going to pick low E, D, G, B. Go to your B flat and strum. So all together slowly, it looks like. Once you get the picking part down, I will show you how to just strum through these chords the way that they do in the chorus. Starting on your D minor, you're going down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then the same thing with your G minor and your B flat. Down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.